Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to compare Samsung Galaxy M62 and Samsung Galaxy M51. The Galaxy M62 has arrived to replace the Galaxy M51 in Samsung's list of mid-range phones. Both stand out for their packed technical data, with a powerful 7000 mAh battery and a 6.7-inch screen among their highlights. On the other hand, the two generations bring differences in processor and RAM. Let's talk in details. The M51 and the M62 are very similar smartphones when it comes to the screen. Both have a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a Full HD Plus resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. Another common aspect is the construction of the front. Both phones have an elongated body with rounded edges and a hole in the top center to house the selfie camera. The big difference is in the design on the back, as the finish is plastic, but the arrangement of the camera set is different. In the Galaxy M62, the cameras are placed vertically, while the M51 has lenses arranged in a rectangular module in the upper left corner. Another difference is in the colors. The Galaxy M62 has metallic and gradient coloring available in blue and black. The Galaxy M51 has a glossy finish and can be found in white and black. Both Samsung smartphones have similar quad camera arrangements. Both the M62 and the M51 have quad camera arranged as follows: 64MP main camera with f/1.8 aperture, 12MP ultra-wide with f/2.2 aperture, 5MP macro with f/2.4 aperture, 5MP depth sensor with f/2.4 aperture, 32MP front-facing camera with f/2.2 aperture. Other attractions found in the smartphone's cameras are the night mode and the single-take feature, which generates multiple photos and videos with a single tap of the shutter button. As for video recording on the Galaxy M62, both cameras, main and front, shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second. The M51 single-S rear sensors also record video in 4K at 30 frames per second, but on the front camera, the videos are recorded in Full HD at 30 frames per second. The Galaxy M62 features Samsung's proprietary Exynos 9825 chip, which has 8 cores and works at speeds between 1.95 GHz and 2.73 GHz. The processor works in conjunction with 8 GB of RAM. The M51, on the other hand, relies on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 730 chip, an octa-core with up to 2.2 GHz of speed, and 6 GB of RAM. Both smartphones have 128 GB of storage, and there is the possibility of an expansion via microSD card up to 1 TB for the M62 or up to 512 GB for the M51. The battery is another aspect of the datasheet that is similar between the two devices. The 7000 mAh capacity is what most draws the attention of consumers. This is because such a component allows Galaxy M62 and Galaxy M51 to stay away from power outlets for up to 48 hours, depending on the type of use. Both phones feature 25-watt fast charging, which should provide full battery charging in just under 2 hours, according to the manufacturer. The Galaxy M62 leaves the factory running Android 11, together with the 1A3.1 interface. The Galaxy M51, on the other hand, was released with Android 10, but received an update to Android 11 in April 2021. Both are scheduled to receive Android 12 in the first half of 2022, according to a list released by Samsung. Samsung has promised to update the M line for at least 4 years, which is an advantage for users as it enables continuity of applications and security updates from Google's system. Galaxy M62 and Galaxy M51 have fingerprint readers located on the side. Regarding connectivity, both smartphones offer 4G LTE support, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi in the 802.11/B/G/N/AC ranges, GPS and NFC. Samsung Pay Virtual Wallet is present in the phones and enables payments by proximity and dispenses with the physical card. Both have a USB Type-C port and the traditional P2 input for headphones. The Galaxy M62 is currently available for $447.99, while the Galaxy M51 is now available on Amazon for $449. You can check the link to buy on the description page. This video's description page contains affiliate links, which means that I may receive a commission if you make a purchase using these links. As an Amazon associate, I earned from qualifying purchases. Here ends our comparison on Galaxy M62 and M51. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.